Greetings and salutations, Jamaica. This is Carla Moore from MooreTalkJa, coming to you live from Flag Corner. That's what this area has been called here. So I set up the flag so it framed me. The flag with all of the colors as it was intended, as according to the flag and not just according to political party. So it is Era's Day. And we know so plenty of people there at the party are dash out them body and is celebrating the march through Stony Gut by having some drinks. So we now go question it. We used to do it too. And before when get home and like dropping out the bed or like when start cuss about the ceremony where them have for another Olympians, because I know it's going to cuss because we like to do that sometimes. You know, we are critical people. I want to say a couple words on Heroes Day and what we can begin to, what I think we need to start doing in terms of who's going to be the future of our heroes, right? Because we know the contribution that the heroes of the past have made, and I don't think Jamaica would be anywhere near where it is right now without their contribution. But I think we also need to start developing heroes for our future and the type of people that will lead us into the next phase of greatness of Jamaica. And I think one of the things that we need to do, if we are going to do that, is to become more supportive of people who are trying to fly high and people who are different, right? Like Gavi. In Jamaica, Gavi was considered a madman. They're like, where is this man going with all of them black boat and all of them? No, nobody now try to take a boat with the man here now. Gavi was considered basically a madman until he went abroad, was recognized as one of the founding fathers of the Black Power movement, and then came back to Jamaica, and then that is when we began to give him legitimacy. Same thing with Bob Marley. Bob Marley was just a little picky head boy who did insist on making this music when nobody never want to hear, till him go foreign, and they were like, but you're a musical genius though. And then all of a sudden, him come back and Jamaica was like, yeah, musical genius. You see him both on your hand blade. The man them say, yo, we're not only running on, like we play cricket and them something to, you know. And Jamaican people say, stop hype, go and run up and down because that's what you're good for, and stop your foolishness about cricket. Australian people them say, you need to come here for the 2020 because hundreds of thousands of people are going to pay to see you, and we're going to make millions of dollars of revenue off it. So anything you want to do, we will give you our audience to watch you and we will charge them. A lot of times it's like, as a country, we fight out the greatness that is inherent to Jamaicanness. Because Jamaica is a great country, right? When you think about it, Jamaica defied the odds in terms of geography. As a third world country, we're not supposed to do them something here. We defy the odds in terms of size. The size of the country we have, we're not supposed to do that. In terms of being a black country, in terms of being a poor country, we're not supposed to do them type of something there. Jamaica turned Japan into reggae country. Jamaica make a black man face get projected upon the side of Westminster Abbey or Westminster Palace in the country where used to colonize with. Jamaica make the #1 song of the century be written and performed by not a European, not an American, a little bumpy head black man from the third world wrote the song of the century. So greatness is inherent to Jamaican identity, but we in Jamaica seem to fight it out, and it's not until foreigners take up the same people and recognize them that we turn around and recognize them. And I think as a country, what we need to do is to start to look for heroes locally and look for the next generation of heroes that are coming up, because they could be there and all of the potential that could be there and all of the people who could do all that need to be done for Jamaica could be there, but we say one not support them, because when them try nothing different, we tell them say them hype, or we tell them say them must go focus, and we tell them say the higher monkey climb the more them expose, and you tell them say what's sweet and they go to go run in belly, and we tell them all of them someday where we granny tell we. But what we don't realize is sometimes in all of that cautioning, you're actually killing the innovativeness, you're actually killing the risk taking, you're actually killing the creativity of the person, and that is what Jamaica needs more than anything in this, the 50th year. So for Heroes Day, happy Heroes Day, big ups to Jamaica. I wish that I was home, and yes, I would probably be at some party event, but I could have asked them, I could have got the Olympic something too, and I could have stayed on with my mother. I mean, really, you know, but I wish I was home to celebrate this in 50th year. But going forward, as a Jamaican, to Jamaicans, I think it's time that we start looking for our new heroes. While recognizing the work that our old heroes have done, I think it's time that we start to put ourselves in the mindset that the new heroes are among us, and we need to look carefully for them. We need to look deliberately for them because we need them in order to take us where we need to go. And what that means sometimes is seeing something that you don't understand, seeing a person who look like them just do something strange, and just taking the time to let the person do it and see where that can go, instead of telling them so they must just calm down and go do what they used to, because Jamaica not do what nobody used to. we're not normal, and that is what sets us apart. And the second that we as a country can grasp that in the way that foreign countries have grasped that, we'll begin to generate revenue off of that. We'll begin to generate more tourism since we're so interested in that, and we will make an even bolder claim to our national identity and the importance of our culture on a world stage. We will recognize it, and then people will doubly recognize it because they're military. Okay, so that is 5 minutes worth of something. So that is my Heroes Day message, everybody. Thank you for watching, and go back and enjoy the rest of your evening. And if you actually just go over JIS, go look on the hero them now. Like just go JIS, go look on the hero story them. Yeah, just for the Heroes Day. Just go JIS, go look on the hero them, and make sure say you know everybody name. Not just who is on what money, make sure say you know everybody name. Please, thank you to make me feel very good. God bless you. Goodbye.